Creating impactful learning experiences requires more than just good content. A robust framework ensures that educational programs are effective, efficient, and aligned with learners' needs. The ADDIE model is a trusted approach that helps learning professionals systematically design, develop, and deliver training solutions.
The ADDIE model stands for Analyze, Design, Develop, Implement, and Evaluate. This framework originated in the 1970s at Florida State University, initially developed for the U.S. Armed Forces. Over time, it has become the gold standard for designing effective training and educational materials across industries. Let's explore each phase in detail, starting with Analyze.
The Analyze phase is all about understanding the learning need. Instructional designers identify the learning goals, audience characteristics, existing knowledge, and the context in which learning will occur. This phase sets the foundation for the entire project by clarifying what needs to be achieved and why. Common activities include needs assessments, learner analysis, and task analysis.
Next is the design phase. Here, the blueprint for the learning program is created. Designers outline learning objectives, determine assessment strategies, select content, and plan instructional methods and media. Storyboards, course maps, and prototypes are typical deliverables. The focus is on aligning every element with the goals defined in the Analyze phase.
The Develop phase brings the design to life. Instructional materials, activities, and assessments are produced based on the design specifications. This may include e-learning modules, instructor guides, videos, or printed materials. Throughout development, prototypes are tested and refined to ensure quality and alignment with learning objectives.
Once materials are ready, the implement phase begins. Learning solutions are delivered to the target audience. This might involve classroom instruction, online courses, or blended approaches. Implementation includes preparing instructors and learners, setting up technology, and ensuring that logistics and support are in place for a smooth rollout.
Finally, the Evaluate phase measures the effectiveness and impact of the learning solution. Evaluation occurs at every stage, but summative evaluation happens after implementation. Data is collected through assessments, feedback, and performance metrics to determine whether learning objectives were met and identify improvements for future iterations.
The ADDIE model offers a structured, flexible approach for building effective learning programs. By following its 5 phases: Analyze, Design, Develop, Implement, and Evaluate, learning professionals can ensure that training solutions are targeted, engaging, and impactful. Embracing the ADDIE model leads to continuous improvement and success in instructional design.